I start with a piece of 1x4 pine board. I mark and cut 3 equal pieces. Next, I move my saw blade to 45 degrees and mark the middle of the board. Then I line up my blade with the mark and place the piece of tape so I know where to line up the boards each time. You could set up a stop block. I make my cut, flip the board over and make the other cut. Then line up the point with my tape and cut the other side of the board the same way. Now I repeat the process with the remaining 2 boards. Next, I mark the center point of each board with my saw blade back to 0 and cut the 3 boards into 6 pieces. Now I move on to sanding. I'm using 220 grit. Hey guys, I created a playlist of these low-cost, high-profit woodworking projects. If you're interested, you could check out the card above. Now I make sure the edges are all smoothed over. Here are the pieces. So now you're probably wondering, okay Ronnie, what's the next step? Well, as far as the woodwork part goes, sanding is the final step. The board I started with is now worth about 4 times more than it did before I began work. I can hear the questions. What the heck is it? Well, if you go to Etsy and search for wood shapes, wood house, scrap wood, you'll see a lot of listings of items like this for sale. Now, I paid for software that gives details on each listing, and these things sell, believe it or not. People that are into crafts buy these to decorate them up. Scrap wood pieces are a seller too. Here's the listing I based this video on. They also charge extra for shipping, so not a bad use of scrap wood if you are so inclined. Hey, let me know in the comments if you are already selling items like this. Also, let me know if you like these low-cost, high-profit videos I've been doing lately. Thanks guys, I'll see you on the next video.